Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest cleaning tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best cleaning tools of all time. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name SXH YF Cleaning Brush. The SXH YF Cleaning Brush is a versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle various household cleaning tasks with ease and efficiency. This brush features hard bristles, making it especially effective for scrubbing and removing tough dirt and grime from a variety of surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. Key features: hard bristles. The stiff bristles are perfect for deep cleaning, providing the necessary abrasiveness to remove stubborn stains and build up. Multifunctional design. The brush is designed to be used in multiple settings, including the home, kitchen, bathroom, windows, vehicles, faucets, toilets, and grout lines. Product 2. Product name HOLOCME Drill Brush Attachment Set. The HOLOCME 20-pack drill brush attachment set is a versatile and comprehensive cleaning and polishing kit designed for a wide range of applications. This set includes various attachments such as scrub pads, sponges, buffing pads, power scrubber brushes, and an extendable long attachment, making it suitable for tasks ranging from car polishing to household cleaning. Key features: diverse attachments. The set includes a variety of brush heads and pads, each tailored for specific tasks. This diversity allows users to tackle different surfaces and materials effectively. Power scrubber brushes. These brushes can be attached to a drill, transforming it into a powerful cleaning tool capable of removing tough grime and dirt from surfaces like tiles, bathtubs, and showers. Scrub pads and sponges. Ideal for more delicate surfaces, the scrub pads and sponges can clean without scratching, making them perfect for kitchen use, including sinks and countertops. Product 3. Product name Tile Tub Scrubber Brush. The Tile Tub Scrubber Brush is an essential cleaning tool designed to simplify the task of maintaining cleanliness in various household areas. It features a 56-inch extendable long handle, making it convenient for reaching high or hard-to-access spots, such as bathroom walls, kitchen tiles, and ceilings, without the need for a ladder or excessive stretching. The brush is equipped with 3 different function cleaning heads, each tailored for specific cleaning tasks. Bristle brush head. Ideal for scrubbing tough grime and soap scum off surfaces without causing scratches. Scouring pad head. Perfect for more intense cleaning tasks, ensuring that stubborn stains and dirt are effectively removed. Microfiber pad head. Suitable for gentle cleaning and polishing, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. Product 4. Product name OOCseater Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. The OOCseater Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop is an efficient and user-friendly floor cleaning system designed to make household cleaning tasks easier and more effective. It consists of a microfiber mop and a bucket with an integrated wringer, available in a red and gray color scheme. Key features: microfiber mop head. The mop head is made of microfiber, which excels at picking up dirt, dust, and grime, making it ideal for various floor types, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. The microfiber material is machine washable and reusable, promoting sustainability and cost-effectiveness. Hands-free wringing. The system includes a built-in wringer in the bucket that allows for hands-free wringing. This minimizes the need to touch dirty water, improving hygiene and convenience. The wringer mechanism is foot-operated, providing easy and efficient control over the moisture level of the mop head. Product 5. Product name Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber 18-piece kit is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to tackle tough dirt and grime in various areas of the home. This cordless electric scrub brush is battery-powered, ensuring ease of use without the hassle of cords. It is specifically engineered to be water-resistant, making it suitable for wet environments like the kitchen, bathroom, shower, and tub. The kit includes 18 pieces, providing a comprehensive set of attachments and brushes to address different cleaning needs, such as grout, tile, and other hard-to-clean surfaces. Its ergonomic design and efficient scrubbing action make it an ideal choice for homeowners looking to maintain a clean and hygienic living space with minimal effort. In the context of the user's interest in household cleaning tools and appliances, the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber stands out as a practical addition to their cleaning arsenal. Its specialized functionality complements other tools like the air conditioning outlet cleaning brush and DIY car windshield repair tools, offering a robust solution for maintaining a clean and well-kept home. Product 6. Product name: LFine Electric Spin Scrubber. The LFine Electric Spin Scrubber is a versatile cleaning tool designed for efficient and thorough bathroom cleaning. This 2024 model boasts several advanced features that make it a standout choice for maintaining cleanliness in various bathroom areas, such as tubs, showers, tiles, and floors. Key features of the LFine Electric Spin Scrubber include full-body IPX7 waterproof design. This ensures the scrubber is highly resistant to water, making it safe to use in wet environments without the risk of damage. Long handle. The extended handle design allows users to clean hard-to-reach areas with ease, reducing the need for bending or stretching. 2 speed settings. The scrubber offers 2 different speed options, enabling users to choose the appropriate level of power for different cleaning tasks. Product 7. Product name: Microfiber Duster Kit. The Microfiber Duster Kit, 11 PCS, is a comprehensive set designed for efficient cleaning of various surfaces. It includes washable dusters with an extension pole that ranges from 30 to 100 inches, allowing easy access to high ceilings, fans, and furniture. The microfiber material ensures effective dust and dirt removal without scratching delicate surfaces. This kit is ideal for thorough cleaning tasks around the home, providing convenience and versatility in maintaining a dust-free environment.